Hey guys, yeah, I'm back, and Fahad's here with Super Chicken right in front of me. So we'll try to do this as calm as we possibly can. Make sure you hit that QR code in the bottom right. Start your prop journey today with Day Trade the World, our #1 sponsor and the #1 prop trading firm in the world. All right, look, I'm happy to be back. It's been a fantastic day today to trade. And what are we picking on? What up, Elon? It's Tesla right now today. Look, I know you said that you're not going to disappoint shareholders, but it's been pretty disappointing. That fade from the highs where we retraced back in July, August, September, you're now down 37 or 38%. That's before today. So you're into 40% down when the S&P's only down 18%. So Tesla not performing well over the last couple months. But the thing is, they also disappointed last night. They guided a little bit lower. They cut deliveries, right? They wanted 50% year over year. They cut that. So we're going to see what comes out with Q4. But this last report, not great. And lower margins. So instantly, we were looking short today on Tesla. And I mean, it was a pretty easy trade early on. We waited for that bottom break of 206. It's also the #1 name on the sticky note. So that's something to take into consideration as well. This is the problem. When it breaks early, we actually have two fills in there, breaking back down below 206, which at that time was it 206? Yeah, 206, which was the day's low in the pre-market. Once that broke, we know the all-time low, or the all-time low, the 52-week low, is that 204 that was just made yesterday, 204 and change. So we watched out for that, and we were able to get out. Good trading. The only thing is, when it took that trade, it actually bounced all the way back up into the mid area there for the pre-market trading. So we did put on another short there at 208, cashed in all the way. Then we tried it again at 206. That didn't work, and we got out. Now this is where Tesla gives us into some trouble, and we were in trouble when we left the show, right? As Tesla comes back up, we start to say, hey, I still want the short. Notice every single tick on here, all the purples are short sells. Okay, they're not me going long or getting out of longs. I don't have one long today on Tesla. But the thing is, as it rips up, we actually have an out here of about 213. Once that breaks, we wind up taking. That's a 210. This is like 211. We don't have any outs. More out there at 212. And then the out, I think that out is like 212.50. Whatever it was, whatever the high of the day was at that time, we wind up getting out. That's like a $2 or $3 hit. That was bad on Tesla. We wind up giving pretty much back everything that we made on this hit. But then we were watching it and we're like, you know what? We marked down 215, 217 area as an area that we wanted to short. You can find it on the sticky note. And when that came in, that's where we really started to hit it. So we went short first. Then we got out when it broke. We're like, okay, but let's give this a little more room. Then the big short came on right there. Finally, midday, right about 11:30, it comes all the way up to that 215 level that we indicated on the sticky note, and then it was downside. 212, so that's about $2 to $3 there, so making it back what we lost there. Then you get down into 211. Remember, we're short about 214, so again, that's $3, sorry, that's $2, that's $3. Then we pull back down. Now the thing is that when we're in the money, $5, $6, $7, I need to have an out. So as it kept on coming down, we actually broke this VWAP. This is VWAP right here. We actually broke it, and we're under the 50 period. The problem is, and it sucks because it's gonna look bad, that was right at 209, so it did make a lot of sense for me there because 209 was a key level. When it broke back up, we wind up getting out of our last piece there at 209. Still a $5 winner off the top there for Tesla, but either way, the move still continues down. We have a $7 winner right now on Netflix. Hopefully that's still in the play as well. But why this is your trade of the day? It's kind of sloppy in here. Win early, lose in the middle, and then win when we get to an extreme level. So I think there's a couple lessons here. The first one is trade names that are active, right? Tesla on the trade of the day because of earnings. Me or Neil could have both done this. We both had trades on Tesla today. So that's the one thing. Trade names that are moving, right? And you heard me drop Netflix in there as well. That's from yesterday, right? The second note that I want to talk about is trade when there's actionable events. You get a lot of volume going on here, everything works. But then as volume sort of dies out and it comes back to the upside, there's really no reason for me to be shorting in here. Maybe right here off the high, but why am I shorting into here? Wait till it gets to these key levels that we've already developed, like right here, right there, that 214 level, which is basically where we shorted it, right? So be very, very patient with your trades. Those are the two things. Trade names that are active, and then patience is key. And Tesla is your trade of the day.